It's week 7 of planning. Getting from overwhelmed to organized. I can't believe I've lasted this long. I've lasted 6 full weeks. We are going into week 7. We need to celebrate. This is like big news. I have never gotten this far with any of my calendars, any of my planners. I can't even tell you the amount of calendars and planners that I've purchased over the years that have gathered dust after like 3 weeks. So this is working. This accountability is working. This planner is working. I am loving my Laurel Denise planner. It is like the coolest thing ever. I finally feel like what is in my head and how I like to work is getting down on paper. And then I'm actually going to the planner and using it. This is just brilliant. I'm so happy. So this week I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna actually plan with you. I'm gonna go into my planner and we're gonna plan. I'll have an overhead view and I'm gonna plan with you. Last week was difficult because we were away. If you watched week 6 video, you saw me figuring out February for the month, and you saw that we were going to Disney World for 4 days. We ended up leaving early on Sunday. So I did plan Sunday. I shot my video on Sunday, and for week 6, I planned all that with you on Sunday, and then we were away. And there was no way I was gonna bring my planner. I mean, this thing is big. We were in the parks all day long. We were racing around doing stuff. So I didn't use my planner then. I got back on Thursday. In total transparency, I got back on Thursday and I was so excited to get into my planner. So I got on my planner and I just wrote down what we had done the few days and then started, organizing for the week, and I kind of fell off. So I did fall off because I was out of practice for the week. So if you see my planner, I'll turn this around, you'll see it's kind of blank for the end of the week. Although, I didn't have a lot to do because I was on vacation and I had done so much the previous week. So this time we are going to plan week 7 together. I am gonna turn this around, like I said. I feel like I'm repeating myself, and we're gonna go in and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna plan this week. Are you ready? Let's do this. Here is the first week in February. As you can see, nothing's much changed except we did add a bunch of stuff, and I added in our meals in here. I did walk every day, and so I did have this section filled out, which is my workout. So if you're new here, I like to do my workout in this section. Then this is kind of like what I'm doing, agenda for the day. This is meals. And then over here is kind of like my check off to do. I had nothing for this week, and I kind of fell off in here because it's the weekend and I had the things in here. And that was that week. And if we get into my habit tracker, I was great on my steps. I mean, I was in Disney World. What can you expect? I mean, way over 10,000 steps every single day. I started off the month really well, and then we were having so much fun on vacation. So this no alcohol, no sugar, totally tanked. I planned 6 of the days. I didn't plan the rest, did not go to the gym, and I didn't read anything, and this is left blank. So I did like using the pens, highlighters in here. I kind of made a boo-boo there. I'm not going to worry about it. This is the kind of thing in the past that would have driven me crazy, that I was outside the lines. Call me crazy, but yes, that's me. So now I am going to turn this over. Hold on, come back in. And then this is still kind of blank because I didn't do anything. I put this in together with you on Sunday, and now it's kind of blank. The only thing I have in here is my 2 eyeshadows that I need to do for the month. I did some goals. I need to fill this, and this out. So this I'm gonna work on. So let's first start with, hold on, let's go back here. I like to do it like this because that way I can get in here. If the whole calendar is wide open, for instance, like this, hold on. Like this, right? If it's all like this, it's hard for me to write in here. So I like to close it up. So let's close it up and let's go in and we're gonna plan together. So I really like my small washi tape. I'm using pink because it's February. So let's get that on here. And this may be a long one because I'm talking so much. Okay, so let's put a little extra like that. These are great. I got these at Michael's. Oops, hold on. Okay,
so I like to put it right up close to the letters like that because I don't have a lot of, oh, that one is a little tight. Oopsie. It's gonna be a little short too, I'm feeling. Uh-oh, it picked up, look, it picked up some of the paper. Darn it, it's not supposed to do that. Okay, maybe I did it too short, but okay, hold on. This is me. This is my like OCD or ADHD or something coming in, my perfectionist situation, wanting this to be perfect, right? So I may have to do another piece. Oh, okay, sorry. I'm just showing you that this is real life. This is Ridgely, and this stuff is small. I should have did a longer piece. Real life with Ridgely. Okay, it's fine. Oh, come on. Let's just pull it down. Okay, I'm being too picky. Okay, actually it worked out pretty fine. Okay, so this is, it's a little off, but that's fine. So this is gonna be exercise. I find that I don't have a lot of room over here, so let's make a bigger, longer one. And I'll cut it. Yeah, that's probably better. And then let's do like this much space, straight. I don't need a ton of room for meals, but I do need some space, so there's that. Okay, and then I do have a set of scissors over here, so I can cut that. Hold on, okay. I like these smaller pens. This is the washable. So I know already that on Monday I walk. I don't know what my meals are gonna be, but I do know on Monday I've got to do 9 to 12. I need to do invoices. And then I've got a, actually it's going to be 9 to 11. I think 9 to 11. I made a list of things that I need to do. So I was writing things down. And I think 11 o'clock is Jackie meeting. Okay. And then I know on Tuesday I need to post my 2 eyeshadows. I've got Wednesday, I think it's 7 p.m. club. Saturday at 12:30. I've got my hair appointment. And you know what I don't have? There's no sticker for hair. No sticker. I have beauty, but I have no sticker for hair. That's weird. Okay, so I need to look into that. But I know to the car, we were gonna go get, what's today's date? Today is the 9th, and we were gonna go and get the cars washed. So I'm just gonna put that right here. This afternoon, we're gonna get the car washed. So that's the car wash. Okay, so that's the things that I know have to get done so far. So here are my YouTube stickers, and because it is the month of February, let's do this one. Okay, that one doesn't want to come off. There's one. Wednesdays. This is Wednesdays. I haven't done this before. I'm adding this in here, so I want to remind myself that I've got to do a YouTube right here. Oh, look how cute. Got book club and a little YouTube sticker. And then I did, this video is going out on the 10th, so that'll be right here, right? So I'm just adding those, okay. So what I'm gonna do is come back over here, and this is where the to-do stuff comes in, right? So on Monday, I have to, and I like doing a little box to check off, so I'm gonna do film, edit, eyes. And then Tuesday is film, YouTube. That's the things there. This week we have to, I've got to do my week 2 blog. And then I've got to do my bio, read the book club book. I think it's called Good Material. And I also have to create the podcast list. Okay, so far that's all I've got right now. And as things pop into the week, I'll do that. Then in here, I'm going to use this as my YouTube section. So I do Monday, and I do Wednesday, and Sunday. This coming on Sunday, I can go back here and so Wednesday, Thursday I think would make sense. Thursday I need to edit Disney Day 1. I know in here this is going to be, Wednesday is going to be YouTube makeup. And Sunday is going to be YouTube Disney 1. Okay, so that looks pretty good for now. I still have a section in here. Not sure what I'm going to do in here and down here. And then I need to do some sort of a list of what's going on in home life and things like that. So I think that's what I'm going to do in here of to-dos that I want to do around the house, because I've got some little things I need to do that. So I'll work on that. And I need to fill out my habit tracker and actually do my habits. So that is that. The only thing I had a question for you is if you have Planner Kate, what do you use this sticker for, this long sticker? Where does it fit? Does it fit? Oh, I guess it fits like right here. So I could use it instead of the washi tape. I could use it like right here as a decor, right? I guess I could use it like right here, or like to delineate a line here, or maybe here I want to do a line. Ooh, I guess I could do it right here. That's interesting. So that's kind of cool. Put that like right here. I like that. Or where else could you put it? I guess you could do it here instead of this. My one question to you is, when you have all these pretty stickers and stuff, do you mark off your days? Because I feel like I don't want to put a line through all this. Maybe you just do a little cross on the day like this. That's my question. Do you do like this kind of cross hatching when you have decoration? That's my question.
What do you think? Did I do okay? It's probably a really long video. I'm sure as I'm going to be watching this back and editing it, I may speed up sections of it because you don't need to see the minutia of me planning for 10 or 15 minutes, or maybe you do. So let me know in the comments if you like me kind of talking through how I'm doing things, and to be determined whether I speed it up or not. I don't know, I'm kind of fascinated about how people think through things, so maybe that might just be me. I think it's kind of cool to just watch it and see it. I'm really a behind the scenes kind of person. I love watching people like go through their closet and like edit their clothes or clean their cabinets or, you know, pack for a trip. So that's kind of like what I like to see, but if that's something that you don't like to see, let me know. I am curious, like some of these stickers I haven't used. I'm not really sure, like house, home, and weight, and there's like a calculator. And so I'm not sure what all these little stickers are for. I'm gonna have to get used to using them, like all these like little things. I guess there's a reason for them. I have to maybe look at other people's planners and see how they use like all these like just blank little rectangular stickers. And then I think I know what to do with the long stripes. I think they're delineate, like kind of I'm using the washi tape. Maybe I use this instead or do a stripe. And then there are these ones that are like memories, this month, must do. There's these little stickers up here. So I got to figure out what to do with those too. Don't forget memories, projects, birthdays. So maybe that's going to help me with filling out the brain dump section. So I'm still kind of learning about that section. I'm kind of at a loss for that big page. And maybe that's because I'm a kind of a perfectionist. I don't like to draw outside the line. I don't want to make a mistake. I'm worried about like scribbling and then crossing out. Again, why I like the erasable pen. That's it. That's week 7. Week 7 is kind of just me planning away, and hopefully that was interesting. If you have not checked out the previous videos 1 through 6, be sure to click down below. I'll link all the playlist of the different videos for each week. Like I said, this is week 7. If you stuck with me this long, thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate it if you follow along with me. And if you have any tips or thoughts, I am open for suggestions. This is, like I said, this is my journey. This is my planning journey. I am learning every week new things, just like I this week took some notes on a pad. I went in and I wrote a few things down, and then I used that to go into my planner and then go back and forth. And you saw me going kind of back and forth. I want to do better. I want to be better. I want to be more organized. And I am seeing the results by using my planner and actually doing the tasks in my planner. I am more successful. For instance, I am still doing my 2 eyeshadow videos every week, and I know what's coming, and I'm prepared to do them because I actually have it written down in my planner. Same thing with honing down on what YouTube videos I'm going to be doing each week. I will go back now. I don't need to bore you with it, but I'm going to go back now and figure out what those makeup videos are going to be, so I'm ready to film them, and then I can be ready with everything that I need to do the video and edit it, film it, do all the things, and then get it up and post it. So this has been really, really helpful. If there are any suggestions that you have, I would love to hear it. If there are any videos that you're interested in or questions you have for me, love to hear from you. I'm having a lot of fun chatting with you guys in the comments, and there's been some really good suggestions. I have found some new sticker sources. I found someone who does Disney stickers, which I'm so excited about. And it's such a great way to learn more about this and get ideas. I mean, isn't that what it's about? Sharing and giving a back and forth with each other. So I'm really loving it. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you hanging out with me, watching this probably long video, and I will see you in week 8. Thank you so much and have a great day.